All right, Miss Devereaux here, and I'm going to walk you through how to complete the study page. Please note, you do not need to do this study page. This is to help you make up points that you may have lost on your cumulative work. Okay, so this is just if you want to earn a better score, if you want to have more practice on the concepts that we practiced this week in this class, then you do this study page. This is not a mandatory assignment. You get to choose whether or not you would like to do this. So let's say you earned a B on your cumulative work and you would like to earn an A, you can go ahead and complete this study page. Or if you failed your cumulative work, you can complete this study page to hopefully bolster or earn back some of your points. Okay? So again, it says right here, if you did not earn a satisfactory score on your cumulative work, you may complete this sheet to practice your skills from the week a little bit more and earn back some points. You must complete this entire sheet to earn back the points you missed. Okay? I can't guarantee you're going to earn back 100% of your points because that's all dependent on how well you do the second go round. But this is an opportunity for you to demonstrate your knowledge and understanding and earn back some points on that cumulative worksheet. Okay? So I've got it pasted here. The objective for the week is to define and properly use nouns, proper nouns, common nouns, and pronouns. Our goal words for the week are noun, proper noun, common noun, and pronoun. Those are just reminders for you. So that's kind of what we will be reviewing on this study page. Each week your study page might look a little bit different down here, but you will have to do some goal word matching every week. If you want a chance to earn back points, you have to complete this entire sheet. So don't skip this grid and expect to earn back any points. You need to complete this grid, and then you need to go on to complete the task below if you'd like a chance at earning back points. So below you will need to write the goal word used in the sentence in the box next to the sentence. So here's the goal words. Okay, you can think of this as your word bank right here. We've got 4 goal words. We've got 4 sentences. None of these goal words will be repeated over here. Okay? So, sentence number 1. Arizona has a lot of cacti in the desert. So I see, I've got a capital word here, not just because it's at the beginning of the sentence. What could that be? I'm not going to tell you what it is. I want you to figure that out, but when you figure out which of these goal words Arizona is, type in noun, proper noun, common noun, or pronoun over here. Okay? Then you're going to go on to the next sentence. You're going to try to figure out which of the goal words is left and type it in this box. Okay? So it's just matching. Okay? These are examples of goal words being utilized. So you're matching these goal words to their sentences. Okay? Once you've done that, and of course, use your recall sheet, use your Google Slides, use your definitions, use any tools you want that are not going to be considered cheating. So we're not going to go out on the internet and research this. I want you to be able to figure this out on your own to show that you actually are able to define these concepts, because if you can't do that, we haven't met our objective yet and you need some more help. And that's okay. If you need more help, just let me know. Okay, we can work on it together, but I want you to have a lot of practice to make sure you've really got these ideas cemented so that next week when we move on, you might have an assignment that's addressing a new set of goal words, but it might say, and use a pronoun. So this is just making sure you understand all of our goal words and objectives for this week before we move on, okay? So once you've got this grid complete, you're going to go down below. And you'll notice, this looks a lot like my cumulative worksheet. And that's because it is. I just copy and pasted this over. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to paste any sentence you wrote and lost points on below its directions. Okay, so I've got this example here. Because I'm only going to complete the example, I want you to complete the work down here. So please write a sentence with a noun. Underline the goal words used. If you open up your cumulative work, if it's gotten a grade from Miss Devereaux, then it's also going to have feedback from Miss Devereaux on anything that you lost points on. So you can see over here that in my example, I must have lost points because it's highlighted and there's a comment that goes with it. You'll see that whenever something's highlighted, if you click on it, it will pull forward the comment that goes with the highlighting, okay? You don't have to be a detective. You can also click on the comment and it will brighten up the highlighting. So over here, I need to underline the goal word I'm demonstrating in the sentence. So when I'm giving you feedback, I'm not going to highlight the specific word that you need to fix because I want to make sure you know these goal words. So I'm going to highlight the whole sentence and it's be your job to go in and fix whatever these comments over here say, okay? So for me, I need to make sure that I underline the goal word. So I need to copy this sentence. You can highlight it and then you can hit Control C on your keyboard, or you can right click and click copy. Okay, yours might look different because I'm on a Mac, but it will still say copy. If you right click, you can find the copy. You go over and click on your study page. Okay, and then you're going to paste. And so to paste, obviously it would be blank for you. You can hit Control V as in Victor, or you can right click and hit paste, okay? And that'll just bring the sentence straight over. So if I look back at the feedback, I need to underline my goal word. So Sally is my noun, so I need to underline Sally. And I am going to do that down here. So below your pasted sentence, you see the word corrected, okay? You will revise your sentence based on Ms. Devereaux's comments to ensure proper use of the goal word or words. So again, some of these, you've got 2 goal words. You might have gotten a few things mixed up. So you might need to fix a few things in your sentence. So I put my sentence down here and I look back at my feedback and I need to underline the goal word. So corrected, I just need to underline Sally, okay? And then I'm good to go because I start my sentence with a capital, I end it with a period. I'm working on a noun, so there we go. So for you, let's say that you only missed question number 4. You're going to go over to your cumulative worksheet. You're just going to copy what you wrote from question 4, and you're just going to paste it right here where I've got highlighted, okay? Then in this corrected, you're going to paste the sentence again, but this time you're going to fix it. Okay, so any comments that I left that tell you, hey, maybe it's that you didn't use proper punctuation, so you need a period at the end of your sentence, or a capital at the beginning of your sentence, or maybe it's that you didn't quite get the proper noun done correctly, so you need to go in and fix the proper noun. Whatever it is, you're going to put your corrected sentence here. Okay, and then you'll submit this once you've got it all corrected. But make sure that any sentence you lost points on, you are revising here. If you decide, oh, I only want to do 2 of the sentences I missed points on, I'm not going to give you back any points. This page is for you to make corrections to the things that you missed, so you're going to need to correct everything that you missed. That doesn't mean you're going to get 100% right. You might still be confused on something, and that's why we're doing this, so I can see, okay, it wasn't that you forgot this detail, it's that you don't quite understand yet, so we need to work on it a little bit more. And that's not the end of the world. Don't be embarrassed. Don't feel bad. If you're coming to this study page and you go, oh my gosh, but I still can't figure out what I did wrong, give me a call or send me an email. I'd be more than happy to work with you on it. The beauty of working in Google Docs is that we can both look at this page together and we can type together and we can talk about it while we're looking at it. So you don't even have to come into school if you don't want to. We can still work together to fix your problems and hopefully ensure that you're understanding what you need to do. Okay? So just make sure, study page, 2 things, matching grid and then correcting your sentences. Original sentence here, and then your sentence with your fixes goes next to the corrected. Okay? If you need help, please let me know. Good luck.